If you need to reset your password for Piraeus Bank Egypt, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the official Piraeus Bank Egypt website. Look for the login section where you can find the option for password recovery. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once you are on the login page, locate and click on the Forgot Password link. This will redirect you to the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Escort to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a password reset link. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the bank security requirements and is something you can remember. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.